Hi, this is Mark Seeplick again from Vendura Industries. I'll be talking to you today about who Vendura is. We are first and foremost a manufacturer. We design our own solid surface, we mix our own raw materials, we cast, we pour, and finally we fabricate our own product right here in Madison, Wisconsin. And we've been doing business here since 1965, so we're not new to the industry. Now you might ask yourself, what are the advantages of working directly with the manufacturer? Why should I buy directly from Vendura? When you buy directly from us, you get shorter lead times on raw materials. You can order custom size sheets at no additional cost to you. You can even order different size thicknesses at no additional cost to you because we are the manufacturer, so we control those characteristics. If you'd like to learn more about what we can do together, feel free to reach out to me personally. I'd love to answer some questions. If you want to learn more about Vendura and how we can become a great partner, you can visit us at our website at www.vendura.com. Thank you.